Baby-led weaning is a way of introducing solid food to your baby so that your baby themselves is the one who feeds themselves. You need to introduce solid foods in a shape, texture, consistency that the baby can pick up themselves and feed themselves without you intervening in this process. In this way, the baby themselves decides what they will eat, how much to eat, and how they will eat it. Up until the point when you decide to start giving solid foods to your baby, you will have been exclusively breastfeeding or perhaps formula feeding, and the baby-led weaning should take place alongside the breastfeeding or formula feeding. Another characteristic of baby-led weaning is that the baby will sit with the family when it is time to eat and feed themselves as the family are eating. And in this way, copy good habits from a very early age.